This is Mark Moore, aka Tuxedo Mark, at various places on the internet. It is Wednesday, May 13, 2009. My booth clock, it's 10:13 a.m. And this is an hour in the life of 3 finches. Oh, and 2 parakeets, because I have 2 parakeets there too. I'm mostly gonna stay out of the video. Might interact with them a bit, but this is basically just, birds being themselves. So I hope you enjoy watching them. Got the entire finch cage and a bit of the, it's 10:14 a.m. Got the entire finch cage pretty much, and a bit of the parakeet cage. The parakeet cage is actually huge, it's like a mansion. But anyway, there they are. I'm gonna introduce them. Alright, the one on the bottom there, the white finch, on the bottom perch is Frosty. He's the first, and he's the king of the cage. The brown or black one there on the basket is Squeaky, and you'll find out why soon. The white one on the top, on the back nest over there on the right is Sunshine. She's the only girl as far as I know. As for the parakeets, hang on, let me see if I can get them over there. Go on, go down, come on. Well, anyway, the blue one is, I think it's pronounced as Pominajka, which means forget-me-not in Polish. And the yellow and green one is Słoneczna, which means sun. Okay, so there they are. Let me see, Frosty likes his swing. You like your swing, Frosty? Oh, they need food. I'm gonna feed them. They love the taste of fresh food. They're drawn to it.